elevator. I think that's going to be the best view over there. You want to see?
The cabin will swing as it passes the tower. Please watch your balance.
Whee! There it goes. Can you see any elevators? I'll bet there's some of those buildings over there, the tall buildings.
Yeah. I wonder if we can find your place on here.
I don't know. I think I do. I think I do see it.
It's hard to see.
Yeah. I'm gonna come stand over next to you. What do you see?
Lots of buildings. Oh, that's a fireworks house.
Yeah, he probably was way over there.
Way far away.
Yeah.
In Seattle. So, look at all the room for everyone.
Oh, let me go see this. This is gonna look exciting. You wanna come see over here as we dock? Grosh, you wanna come see? Come see. We slow down as we dock. Watch. Here we go. Okay, don't run. Don't run. Stay in one place or walk slowly. Here it goes. Okay, hold on to the rail and stay up here for the whole time. Let's finish. We'll finish here. Oh, see it bumps a little bit. Bump,
Look
bump,
how
bump.
high we are.
We're pretty high.
So high.
Oh wow!
How did you get up here so high?
Look at that. Oh. There we go. Okay, let's wait to see which door we go out. This door. Okay, thank you.
It's like look how high we are.
Yeah, we're all high. What? It's gonna close. There it goes. Okay. Now
Let's watch it leave.
yeah, let's go over this way. Watch it leave. Let's go over to the other side. You want to watch it leave from here?
Yes.
Okay. Here it goes.
Here we go. Now, can we take the elevator?
We will in just a second. I'm gonna get a picture of these gears up high. Okay. You see them real up high there? Watch, here it goes. Oh look, here it goes. Watch, the gears are gonna move. You see the big gears up there?
beeping.
It's letting you know it's gonna go. Here it goes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go take the stairs up. It was an elevator.
Okay, let me bring this down.